Okay, we are singing this song local, like our local church. Let's not copy people. I'll stretch you if there's a need, if I can see you are able. Ne? The melody is on Turner. Same voice, unison when we start. Ne? Ne? Mam Queen. Mana kancane wandile. Yo, guys. Mam Queen, try not to ngeke. Try to be calm. Please. Ngeke. Try to drag. Try. If you hear yourself, just know that you're not. Ne? I could be here to learn. I said, my mama told them, I'm good. I trust in you. I know. Yeah. From the start. Take a deep breath and be ready. No molding again. On your word. Ne? Soprano. Nele udike. Go out. Tenor's gonna be on the melody. Second tenor. But let's keep it on the first three only. And yeah. Let's keep it on those three. If you are able to do the things, I can stretch you on octave. Meaning it's going to be it's gonna be eternal first turn. Then and soprano is gonna be right? Then the octave comes in as then all voices are gonna go. A voice, yo, but I see again, I shine the normal one. Yeah.